What makes the Medicine Manufacturing Innovation Centre so special is that CPI have been able to bring together big pharmaceutical companies, technology companies like Siemens, and also academia to work together on new innovative projects.
Digitalization and automation play a massive role in everything we're doing. We want to make humans' lives more effective, more useful, and give them more meaningful work. So we've got a number of what we call grand challenges, which are big strategic programs that help the industry, and all of them have an aspect of digitalization and automation within them, because it 100% is the future of being effective for manufacturing medicines.
IT-OT integration is a very important topic for many pharmaceutical companies today, but I think it's a general topic for all industry. What we particularly see in the pharmaceutical industry has been a real embracing of operational technology, meaning mainly automation, over the last couple of decades, but a reluctance to move towards digitalization because of highly manual and slightly complex processes and the need to invest in being able to do that. That's because these have always been treated as two separate areas, automation and IT. By bringing these together and blurring the lines between these two different departments or these two different areas, we're able to use the large amounts of data, the large amounts of information that are coming from automation, and actually make decisions, actually use that data effectively, and to make decisions to be able to understand the process a lot better, for example, or to understand the status of a piece of equipment for maintenance. So it's really about bringing that data together.
Ops Centre Execution Pharma for us is at the beating heart of our ability to take information from the manufacturing floor and take that up, contextualise it, make it useful, and take it to the person who's got to make a decision on, can I release this product at the end?
Another technology which is being utilised here at the centre is a real-time locating system, or RTLS. It's a bit like indoor GPS. What's really clever about this is that we're able to take the real data of where objects are moving around the facility and plug that into the digital twin. That means that every time that the production is run, our simulation gets more and more accurate because we've closed the loop and we're using real-life data within our simulation.
The tool that we've used most for our digital twins for design was Technomatics. That was great in that we could get the CAD model and then build up the different rate models so that you both could visualise what was going on in a 3D sense so that you could really get inside it, as well as then understanding where the bottlenecks were going to be. If I make this decision here, actually I've just caused catastrophe. That might look loads better in this room, but I've created an absolute mess 3 doors down that I wouldn't have known about. So it's been fantastic for avoiding mess downstream and understanding that here impacts on there and getting our teams to talk, because it's a really good way to consolidate an otherwise quite diffuse conversation, because if you can point at the twin, then it is immediately impactful for everyone involved. I'd call the Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre a digital enterprise because we deliver data for manufacturing processes and we use that data effectively to drive decisions and drive outcomes for the industry.